Russia, one of the largest nations in the world, has introduced a revolutionary luxury car that is making waves in the automotive industry. This exceptional automobile is the Aurus Senat, a true embodiment of luxury, featuring state-of-the-art safety systems, advanced technology, and a powerful engine with remarkable horsepower. The dedication to the Aurus Senat's excellence is evident in the fact that Russian President Vladimir Putin personally directed its production, leading to the creation of a presidential motorcade to replace his former Mercedes-Benz S600 Pullman Guard. At first glance, the Aurus Senat's resemblance to Rolls-Royce vehicles is striking. This premium sedan is designed to compete with other luxury and armored vehicles from top-tier brands, including the Rolls-Royce Phantom, which exceeds $450,000 in price. This positions the Aurus Senat within an elite class alongside renowned luxury manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz, Bentley, BMW, and Porsche. The development of this high-end automobile is a testament to a successful collaboration between two key partners, Aurus Motors and NAMI, showcasing Russia's capability in crafting a luxury car that stands strong against global competitors. NAMI, officially known as the Central Scientific Research Automobile and Automotive Engines Institute, is recognized for its expertise in vehicle production and customization. The other key contributor, Aurus Motors, was initially founded in 2018 to manufacture official vehicles for Russian dignitaries. However, in 2021, it expanded into mass production for the general public, introducing the Aurus Senat to a wider market. The rapid success of Aurus has garnered significant interest from investors and corporations. On February 19, 2019, a major announcement was made by the Russian Ministry of Industry and Trade regarding an important investment. Abu Dhabi-based Tawazun Holding agreed to acquire a 36% stake in Aurus Motors, amounting to a $24 million investment over 3 years. This strategic partnership is designed to propel Aurus vehicles into the Middle Eastern market, marking a significant milestone in the company's international expansion. The Aurus Senat, a marvel in automotive design, is the brainchild of Mike Robinson, an American car designer whose early fascination with Italian automobiles greatly influenced his career. The vehicle is available in 2 distinct configurations, along with an additional special version. The first model is an armored 4-door limousine featuring a reinforced structure capable of withstanding attacks, bullets, and explosions, prioritizing security and protection. The second model is a standard luxury sedan, also with 4 doors, providing ample space for 4 passengers and blending sophistication with everyday practicality. The third, a rare 2-door convertible, is primarily used in parades, adding a touch of grandeur to ceremonial occasions. The Aurus Senat's dimensions command attention, measuring 22.7 inches in length, 66.7 inches in height, and 79.5 inches in width, with a wheelbase of 1,669 pounds, emphasizing its reinforced security structure. By contrast, the standard sedan variant has a weight of 5,952 pounds. The front fascia of the car showcases an eye-catching design reminiscent of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. However, the grille differentiates itself with a more elongated profile extending almost to the bumper, featuring an elegant silver chrome rectangular pattern. The Aurus Senat's striking aesthetic extends to its front profile, where 2 large headlights are positioned on each side, accompanied by separate air vents that harmonize perfectly with the headlights. Unlike Rolls-Royce, Aurus maintains its distinct branding, opting not to mimic the iconic Rolls-Royce emblem commonly associated with luxury vehicles. The side profile of the car exudes elegance, with 20-inch wheels adorned with the brand's logo, contributing to its overall refined appearance. At the rear, a curtain gracefully covers the windshield, highlighting the deep and spacious trunk. 2 tail lights are positioned on opposite ends, while the Aurus logo, outlined in silver, is prominently displayed above the license plate. Completing the rear design, the rectangular exhaust pipes bear a resemblance to those seen on the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and other luxury vehicles. This meticulous attention to design details ensures that the Aurus Senat is a true visual masterpiece. Moving inside, the Aurus Senat's interior is a testament to superior craftsmanship, combining wood, leather, and metal accents to create an opulent ambiance. The flat-bottomed steering wheel, adorned with the Senat name, is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, featuring buttons for effortless access to the infotainment system without removing hands from the wheel. Behind the wheel, the dashboard is equipped with a digital instrument cluster, displaying crucial driving data such as speed, fuel levels, and navigation guidance. A touchscreen infotainment system of similar size is positioned centrally, providing seamless access to media, navigation, phone connectivity, and voice commands. Below the screen, the dashboard includes dual air vents and a collection of buttons for additional convenience despite the touchscreen's functionality. Descending towards the center console, essential components such as the gear lever, drive mode selector, and control knob are neatly arranged for intuitive operation. A storage compartment is conveniently located behind the console, enhancing practicality by providing space for personal belongings. The rear seating area of the Aurus Senat further emphasizes passenger comfort. The rear seats, which recline up to 45 degrees, are paired with plush pillows, ensuring a luxurious and relaxing journey. For rear passengers, two high-resolution touchscreens are integrated into the front seat headrests, providing entertainment options on the move. Foldable tables offer a functional workspace, while adjustable curtains add a layer of privacy and protection from sunlight. Enhancing the luxurious experience, the Aurus Senat features a built-in refrigerator equipped with branded crystal glasses. Additionally, cup holders within the center console of the rear seats provide added convenience. The Aurus Senat is available with two distinct powertrain options, catering to varied preferences and performance expectations. The first variant houses a robust 4.4-liter hybrid petrol V8 engine, delivering an impressive 568 horsepower. This powerful unit enables the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. This performance is managed through a 9-speed automatic transmission, while an all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability. For those seeking an even more exhilarating driving experience, a high-performance version of the Aurus Senat is under development. This variant will feature a commanding 6.6-liter V12 engine, boasting an astounding 848 horsepower, promising an exceptional level of power and refinement. Although this particular model has yet to be officially released, its impending arrival adds excitement to the Aurus lineup. The starting price of the Aurus Senat is set at $245,000, with fully equipped models reaching up to $300,000. This pricing positions it as Hilbert emphasized the company's commitment to global expansion, stating, "We will not sell this vehicle only in Russia, we will sell it abroad." This determination highlights Aurus' broader vision of introducing its prestigious lineup to an international audience. In addition to the Senat sedan, Aurus is expanding its portfolio to include new models. The company is developing an SUV named Komendant and a minivan called Arsenal, both drawing inspiration from the Kremlin's iconic towers. With these upcoming models, Aurus is positioning itself as a formidable player in the luxury automotive market, ready to challenge global industry leaders.